hanging.
Yes, and I turn my head. Can you do it?
Boy.
The boy says, I can do it. Can you do it? Good job.
Good job, Nate.
Nate can do it. I am a giraffe and I bend my neck. Good.
Good job, Nate.
Do it. The boy says, I can do it. I am a buffalo and I raise my shoulders. Good job. Nate can do it. The girl says, I can do it. I am a monkey and I wave my arms. Can you do it? Yeah, good job. We can do it. I can do it, says the boy. Ooh, I am a seal and I clap my hands. Yay, they can do it. The girl says, I can do it. I am a gorilla and I thumb my chest. Can you do it? Yeah. I can do it, says the boy. I am a cat and I arch my back. Can you do it? Oh boy, good job. I can do it, says the girl. I am a crocodile and I wriggle my hips. Wriggle my hips. Yeah! Nate can do it.
Do you want me to do it? Wriggle my hips.
The boy says, I can do it. I am a camel and I bend my knee. Can you do it? Yes, you can do it. I can do it, says the girl. Remember this one? This one's fun. I am a donkey and I kick my legs. Nate can do it. I can do it, says the boy. I am an elephant and I stomp my foot. Can you do it? Yeah, good job. I can do it, says the girl. Nate can do it. The last one. I and I wiggle my toe. Wiggle my toe. Can you do it?
Mom.
Yes, I see it wiggling. You can do it.